Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am cooking up something super flavorful and seriously addictive, which is Thai style cashew chicken. It's one of the dishes that hits all the right notes. Tender chicken, crispy veggies, crunchy cashews, and that deliciously sweet and savory sauce. If you have never tried making this at home, don't worry, it's easier than you think. So let's get cooking. At first, we will take 500 gram of chicken breast. We will take a chopping board and cut the chicken into thin strips like this. Now we will season the chicken with 1.5 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. We will mix everything up and keep the chicken on the side. Now let's prep our veggies. We will need some spring onions, 1/3 of de-seeded red and yellow capsicum, 1 big size onion, 1 inch ginger, and 8 to 9 cloves of garlic. First we will take the onion and roughly slice it up like this. Next, we will take the capsicums and slice them up as well. We will now chop the spring onions. Lastly, we will finely mince the ginger and garlic. Finally, we will prepare our sauce. We will need 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar or honey, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and finally we will add a mixture of half cup of water and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and mix everything up. It's time to cook the chicken. Now we will take a wok or kadhai and heat it up. We will now add some oil. Once the oil is hot enough, we will fry the chicken in medium-high heat for 6 to 8 minutes. Once the chicken is done, we will then add some oil and fry cashews until it's slightly brown. Now we will take the cashews out and keep them on the side. We will then add the minced ginger, garlic, and chopped dry red chilies and fry it until it's nice and brown. Now we will add the onion slices and saute for 2 minutes. Once the onion is translucent, we will add the chopped red and yellow capsicum and saute it for another 2 minutes. Now we will add the chicken and mix it up. Then we will add the sauce and saute it for another 1 to 2 minutes. We will now add the cashews and mix it up with the chicken. Finally, we will add the chopped spring onion. And there you have it, delicious Thai-style cashew chicken that's full of flavor, crunch and just the right amount of spice. Super easy to make and perfect for any night of the week. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more tasty dishes like this. Let me know how yours turned out in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Happy cooking!